Hi guys, good morning, and I'm going to a very special workshop today, which you will get to see in this vlog. And I'm very excited. It's a Sunday, and it's 8:30 abhi, but I am so excited. और आज मैं उठ भी गई हूँ, मतलब I had that much of excitement today. So let's see what happens and stay tuned. So today's event is going to be organized by World Bank, which is a very exciting thing, and we are going to World Bank's office, which is again another exciting thing, and we are so excited about it. Also, मैं अपना breakfast as usual बस में ही कर रही हूँ, and this bus was also organized by them. Everything was organized by them, and they were so interested and so keen to invite all of us as medical students, and they wanted us to know, learn, and speak about climate change and health, and that is what we are going to do today. So we reached early, had a chit chat and some coffee organized by them. So this workshop is particularly conducted by Climate Fresk, which is an organization who is responsible for conducting these workshops. So this was a very fun workshop. So there were some sets, and we were divided into three groups. Since we were around 18 people, we were divided into three groups, and we were given 4 cards each, and then we had to organize them. Once we were done with those 4 cards, then we were given 4 or 5 more cards, and that process took place. Like, it was about 6 sets, I think, or maybe 42 cards that were given to us in all. And trust me, initially it was looking very easy when we had just 4 cards, but धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ, इतने ज़्यादा cards बढ़ गए, the confusion was more, we were unable to link the dots, we were unable to connect the dots, and it was really becoming difficult, and we literally had to brainstorm a lot कि कहाँ पर क्या आएगा. And ultimately we created our version of what we thought कि climate change क्यों हो रहा है, what is its effect, and we understood कि जो भी impact हम लोग human activities कर रहे हैं, जो भी हम global warming के लिए responsible हैं चीज़ें वो कर रहे हैं, that is again coming back, and that is back looping. तो ultimately we had to also choose our title कि हम ये जो project है इसका title हम क्या दें. So we were thinking and suddenly हमें idea आया that we should call it the climate karma, because what goes around comes around. What we are doing today as humans, what activities we are doing today as humans are going to come back to us. And I think that was a perfect title we thought for, and it was looking amazing. बहुत सारे मार्कर्स और स्केच पेन से हमने सारे कार्ड्स को स्टिक किया, मार्कर्स से हमने लूप्स बनाए और बहुत सारे एरोज बनाए ताकि हम ये वेब क्रिएट कर सकें कि क्लाइमेट चेंज क्यों हो रहा है, उससे क्या इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, और समझ पाएँ एक्चुअली कि क्यों ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, व्हाट इज़ द इनिशियल पॉइंट, व्हाट इज़ द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ इट. एंड फाइनली वी वर डन. So soon after that, we were done with the first part of the activity, and we had our lunch. Hi guys, so I am at an event by World Bank, and it is so exciting. I really don't know कि 2 घंटे कैसे चले गए, and I enjoyed every bit of it. So I hope you're also enjoying this vlog, and I am currently at World Bank's office in Delhi, and it is really an amazing experience. So the second part of the activity was wherein we were again in groups, and we were shown some data about how much the climate change has been impacting different countries and our own country, and we had to think and propose some solutions which we can do as medical students. That was again something which was very interesting, wherein we literally had to put our brains कि क्या हम लोग what as we as medical students can do about this, which was again a very important and very interesting activity. So we spoke about it, and it was so much fun. After that, we also conducted some short interviews wherein we told them about how we enjoyed the workshop, how was the workshop for us, and also our learnings from the event. And that was again the highlight of the show. And that was it about today. We had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you guys. Bye bye.